colors. And I have a primers on Emily nails already. And I'm gonna do that peachy. I'm like change the place a little bit. The other ones was in the index fingers. So we doing this one. This is really nice. Like it's kind of Luna say it right. It's kind of earth colors. Thank you so much, Liva. We just really extremely busy to make sure everybody is taking care good, and all of the giveaway is shipping out, and everybody orders. So like, if in case tomorrow is gonna be a really good content, tomorrow Saturday I still be here, and we have something is really cool it coming in, and I didn't want to rush it today, and I will share it tomorrow's how to help all of nail techs right now. Besides, we prepare to get back, but then a lot of questions, a lot of inquiries for the press-on nails, and we have something really cool to show you tomorrow. So great, just thin coat of that. And let me see if I can share it to Miss Sarah. Okay. Can you press that on? Okay, so I'm gonna do this one in yellow, and I'm gonna do a really thin coat because we're gonna put the chamfer foils on this one. It doesn't matter what design, like you can do a flowers designs on. It's gonna look really cool though. So happy Fridays. Hope everyone doing great. Be safe. I'm gonna do is just really quick. I love this. This is really this a blast of colors I'm really pleased with. There are 12 different colors. I'm gonna use one of this, like have gold one to matching. And when it's still wet, I'm gonna take advantage to tap it on. Gesticulata is I using number 14, sweetie. The acrylic brush. So just tap some of them on. You want more, you can always add it more. Great. And then we do one more on this, two more on this pinky and the thumb. So I'm gonna move this blast of colors on the side so then it doesn't look so cluttery in the background. Thank you, Live Rat. Thank you, Debbie. You ladies amazing, all of you. If we got, when we finish the live, you see sometimes we tag everyone to participate today. If we miss anyone, please make sure DM us, because sometimes if we miss your Instagram handle. But on Facebook, we don't know how we can tag on Facebook at all, because on the page, I don't think they'll allow us to tag people. So, okay, this layer, I'm gonna do it really thin because we're gonna put chamfer foils on that one. How does that happen? Oh, probably Emily would dip her fingers on that one. So just in case if you curious about this earth colors, as Nuna said, this is number 27 solids. I'm gonna move it away because I don't think I'm gonna use it. And then the thumbs, I'm gonna using a yellow. You can do any colors. Well, one of the videos will last month we did, and I think we did it on Isabella when we were quarantined. She had, I did kind of spring colors and with 3D and with Louis stickers. I think it's solid sticker. Friday. You know what's that mean? Oh, Ray, this is acrylic system that it from Chisel Nail Art. We can send you a link, and then there's like several distributors that we know. We can refer you to them. We don't have these powders from our website. We just you can get to share with any of you that if you are looking for this, you can go and check out on the Chisel Nail Art. And also, if you have something similar, you can use it. But if you really like to get this one, you can get it from some of the distributor that Chisel Nail Art have, like probably over 200 distributor. But I can refer you to some of distributor carry really good Chisel Nail Art, so then you can get it from them. So I'm gonna move on to take this off. This is number 46, Chisel Nail Art. Let me show you the bottles, how it look like. It is the Chisel Nail Art right there. And I think number 27, which is the earth color. Now I am going to move on to the nude colors, because I am going to using on this one, because this one we're not gonna do any foil on, so I'm gonna go ahead and cap it. Just pick a smaller beads, and if I want the ombre, this is a great tip and trick for beginners. If you want to create the ombre look without look so like, obviously it's just like you want them to blend gradually nice, so then you're gonna do is smaller beads first. You can do one bead, but then I was sharing with 2 beads, so then you can control the ombre first, and then you use another beads and to work closer to the cuticle, so then you don't have to work at the cuticles and the ombre at the same time. Because sometimes if the ombre, if you perfect your cuticles area with the powders, and then you try to blending it down to the ombre part, then your nail's gonna be completely dry. Then it doesn't looks like really nice and blend evenly on the ombre part. Great. So this I am going to cap it with clears with all of them after that. But we're gonna do some chamfer foil on this one first, and then we are going to do ombre after the chamfer foils. So a lot of questions for the chamfer foil. So I am going to using a premium's IHO chamfer foil. This one, it differs from ours white bottles. Is the white chamfer foil is here for 60 seconds, and make sure if your lamp is like rechargeables and it going like a week of like a battery there, make sure it charges full charge 60 seconds. This one 30 seconds. So let me apply on this 3, because we're going to do this nails. I do a soft colors for all of you who have like the clients who want just like more conservative and saddles for the look, and the bright ones for all of you who have the clients has really like, you know, vibrant colors like me. I love the vibrant colors. All right, so here for 30 seconds under LED lights. Then I am using light vast. I'm using a Kira Sky. It's some really good ones. Miss Teresa said Sun UV is good too. You have a jealous dinosaur. Is that really big? That's why you call dinosaurs? Oh, it's work. It's still work. This is the best lamp ever. Kira Sky, costly but worth it. Yes, rave about nails. I think so. Like, it's because, you know, I like it because it Kira, like I have a lot of like long nails clients, so this is have a lot of rooms for me to have the clients that's placing on. So with this other lamp, sometimes it's too short, too narrow and too small. So it's really cool. You can either using from both of these collections. I'm so obsessed with this too. And this one, You can pick any of from this collection. This is number 32. It's have variety of have marble nails, all different design stuff. Cool, it's really cool. And then have the Louis right here, which is we're going to use. And this one have like a variety. This one have everything. Well, this one doesn't have Gucci, but this one have like Chanel stuff in there. It's just really stunning. And then the other ones has like other variety of them, so it's really cool. So I'm gonna using one from the oops, hope I don't touch it. This one is from number 32, and let me place okay here right on the side. Can you move this one? Just in case you're just tuning in, I'm using this on her index fingers. Blast of colors, I believe. Right? Blast of colors. Yep. I'm so obsessed with that. So I'm gonna move just a little bit. Right here. Too far away. If I don't put the right, like, my piece of paper. Sometimes I have glove on, I don't feel it, so I just want to make sure. Just a piece of paper towels or the wipe that you have. Like I'm in the. Oh my god, it's already come off. Oh my goodness, look at this, everyone. It's just really like. Didn't even have to do anything. It's just like poof. Sometimes it's too fast that I couldn't like catching with that. Move to the next one. Same thing. You know exactly where you want and just lay it there. Sometimes I using the paper like this because you know if I'm using just like your raw hands and you feel it's really moist. You can't feel it, so this is always like rub it good for you. And then let's move to the next one on the thumb. Right there. Make sure that you get on the edges too. There you go. So, remember that one time I did and I didn't put the top coat on. I using the monomers and the base powders right away. So my monomers bleeding through all of my image. So I am going to using the no wipe top coat. And is Miss Livat. Hey Mika. No, Emily Isabella is the one did the creme. I know she's so perfectionist, and then she didn't do it first time good, and she wanna do it a second time. Okay, so I'm going to apply the top coat and key it for 30 seconds on all of the foil image before you doing the coating ombre on it. Great, so 30 seconds and the lamp. Oh, Nancy, thank you so much. I'm so glad you're enjoying it. Yours looks so beautiful. That's why I said